Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ilabel here. I record this stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called insert into a binary search tree. Given the root node of a binary search tree, BST, and the value to be inserted into the tree, insert the value into the binary search tree. Return the root node of the BST after the insertion. It's guaranteed that the new value does not exist in the original BST. Note that there may exist multiple valid ways for the insertion as long as the tree remains a binary search tree after insertion. You can return any of them. For example, we got these three right here and we want to insert 5. We can have this answer, which is right here, or this one. The number of nodes in the given tree will be between 0 and the base 10 raised to the power of 4. Each node will have a unique integer value from 0 to the base minus 10 raised to the power of 8 inclusive. This value is greater than or equal to the base minus 10 raised to the power of 8. And is less than or equal to the base 10 raised to the power of 8. It's guaranteed that value does not exist in the original binary search tree. Well, I'll show you how to solve this problem recursively and then iteratively. Go for it. First, in the case when the root is null, then we return new tree node containing this value. Otherwise, in the case when the roots dot value is greater than the current value, we go left. We say root dot left is equal to we call this method recursively, and we say root dot left and value. Otherwise, in the case when the root's value is less than the current value, then we go right. We say root dot right is equal to, call this method recursively, we pass root dot right and the value, and finally we return this root. Let's run this code. Good, let's submit. Okay, and as I said before, I'll show you how to do that iteratively. We can leave this condition. In the case when the root is null, then we return new tree node containing this value. Otherwise, we create a tree node which is the current is equal to the root, and we create the while condition. While it's true, then in the case when the node's value, which is the current dot value, is less than the current value, I mean not the current value, which is the value right here, we want to the value we want to insert. We check in the case when current value is less than value, or just say is greater than the current value, then we check in the case when current dot left is not equal to null, We go left, we say current is equal to current dot left. Otherwise we say current dot left is equal to new tree node containing this value, and we break out of that loop. In the case when you know that the node's value is less than this value that we want to insert, we say we go right, current dot right is not equal to null, then we say current, which is current dot right. Otherwise, if it's null, then we say current dot right, which is new tree node and value, and we break out of that loop. Finally, you need to return the root. One more time. In the case when the root is null, we create the new node containing this value that we want to insert, for example 5. Otherwise, we create another node which is equal to the root. While it's true, then in the case when the node's value is greater than this value, then we go left, and in the case when the child to your left means this, node's child to on the left is not equal to null, then we go left, and otherwise we say current.left is equal to new tree node value, and we break out of that loop and we return this root. Otherwise, if the node's value is less than this value, then we check again the same, like like right here, only the difference is current.right is not equal to null, means that the child on the right side, on the right hand side, is not equal to null, then we go right. Otherwise, we create a new node containing this value, and we break out of that loop and we return the root. That's it. Let's run this code. Okay, let's submit. Good, success. Let's look at this example. We got this 3 right here. We want to insert 5. We start at 4, then we can see that that 4 is less than 5, so we go here. Okay, current is equal to 7, right? Then we can see that 7 is greater than 5. Then we go left, we check, we go left, this right here is equal to null, then we create a new tree node which is 5, which contains this value which is 5, and we break out of that loop and we return the root, which is the root. And that's it. That's the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I wanna know what you think. Follow me on social medias. I do all LeetCode problems. Again, give me a big thumbs up to support my channel. Follow me on Instagram, add me on the Snapchat, and I'll see you next time. Bye.